Well, hey, my friends. Shocked you still found me. Yeah, I know. I've been gone that long. It has been an incredible summer with this new company. All good. Learned a lot. Taught a lot. Um, yeah, geez, there's so many things. The just yeah, wow. I could probably talk for 5 hours just on things this past year. And now I'm starting to see the results as I go through and start doing the aeration. Some of you saw that video from last year. Different machine this year. Um, I don't want to say it's better or worse, but it's the condition of the plugs. There's the big key. Um, but yeah. Oh, and I forgot to put the link in. I'll get that fixed before I air this. I have my other channel, my cooking channel. That's pretty much kind of where I've been this summer. Come home hungry, fire up a barbecue, or fire up the Blackstone, or you know me, I'm just an outdoors person. I just got to be out there, fresh air, the whole 9 yards. Um, I don't have a lot of production to show this year. Something has happened, and again, I haven't been home. So there's theories as to what might have happened. Because it's really odd for two beds to die in two completely different sections of your yard. And yeah, yeah. I haven't looked into it yet, so I don't know. I'm just that busy. Some things have come up. I've got to go to court over the other book. This book, The Green Wizard's Guide. Yeah. Kind of why I need help. I need to sell 1,700 books as quickly as I possibly can. Between attorney fees and some other things going on, yeah, I need help. I need everybody. You know, and I know some of you. Hey, I already have my book. I've even got a signed copy. And well, no, I'm in trouble. Trouble. I need help. So buy early Christmas presents or whatever you want to call it, however you want to justify it. I'm in a little bit of trouble, and I need some help bailing out. Of course, I'm not around. Sales drop, right? What am I supposed to do? I can't be going live while I'm trying to work on somebody's yard and dealing with customers and driving someplace or driving what you know. It is what it is. But as of now, with this pending lawsuit, I'm not writing a second book. I don't want to go through this again. This is not it's not something I really want to talk about, but it's not something I ever want to do again. I just find myself in a really bad position and have to ask for help. A lot of help. You know, I know some of you have web stores or and look, I'm calling them the wrong things, and because I'm not here, I don't know the new terminologies anymore. Get your affiliate link. Pull whatever profit you can off of this, but I need help. I need a lot of it. In the 2 or 3 years that I've had the book out since 2019. We're now 2022. I might have sold a total of 400 books. The rest have been giveaways. All of those people that deserve a free copy. Yeah. Anyhow, not to be a downer. I'm not shutting the channel down. I'm still out here. I just am very seriously busy. I am going to try and get some video of some of these aerations and some of these aeration plugs, because they are important when you consider your yard and garden. To understand what all is really going on. You only need a plug. You only need to look a little bit into your soil and the soil conditions to understand what's going on. And to see how deep your roots are penetrating. Now, whether that's your garden, your trees, or your grass, makes no difference. But it's understanding how to get there. That's the point of the book. And that's what everybody that talks about this totally glazes over. And that's the huge secret here. It's what's going on in the soil on a completely different level. It's got nothing to do with the grass. It's got nothing to do with how green. It's got nothing to do with the plants. It's the soil. It's the soil. And when we start looking at things on that level and then bring up everything else that is offered in the guide, that's when the plants take off. That's when everything explodes. But if you skip that one little step, you glaze over that one little part, that's where I was making my mistakes. And I'm watching yards now, and I know some people that have skipped some steps, and they're not getting the results. And when questioned, I find out what step they skipped for this reason, that reason. A lot of them is finding the materials. And I understand, especially now with the scarcity of everything else. The only thing I can report is, I've got my source, and everything is there. He has access to everything. One-stop shopping right now to get everything I need to do these yards. When all the steps are taken, I'm seeing the results. Where other people are complaining, oh my God, this happened, or oh my God, this isn't happening. Oh my God, I need this. Oh my God, something's not right. And you start getting into, well, what happened? What did you do? What did you miss? What did you not? Do you have all the materials? And inevitably, I'm finding that steps are skipped. Some are being overdone, which kind of adapts, but steps are skipped. When you skip any one of the steps, you throw off what's in the soil. You throw off the whole point of this. And getting everything back to organic, getting everything back to nature's way. It's not that it's complicated. It's just you can't skip steps when you're trying to use the Green Wizard Guide system and speed up the process. Yes, there are very slow, natural ways to do this. Stony Ridge Farmer is a big proponent of that, and he is getting the results. It's incredible to watch. I wish I could get down on the farm and get my hands in that soil and see what really is happening. But yeah, this is, and believe me, it's not complicated. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Whether it be, somebody who just read the book yesterday and wants to start the system before winter hits, you can do that. or somebody like Iron Dog that wants to prep before going into winter so that the soil is ready before he hits it with the rototiller, before he gets earth cracked open, before, and just soup things up. Absolutely, you can. You can do a lot of these steps ahead of yourself. Or you can just, read the book, have a good laugh, and use it as a coaster, which I think is why Kathy won't let him read the book. That's probably a good guess. But anyhow, as of this point, with what's going on, there won't be a second book. These court proceedings are really they're gonna shake me. They're gonna rattle me pretty good. It is what it is. Don't ask. It is what it is. But I need help. Tell everybody. I know you've been trying to keep me on a back burner and keep me quiet and keep me safe and not get too much out there, but attorney fees are not cheap. And it's just one of those things, when you're self-published and you're doing it this way, things happen. So I'm not going to hold you up. I will be popping up a couple of other videos to show you what I'm seeing on the aerator and what I'm seeing in the soil plugs. I'm in a different part of Ohio this year, and I'm in a larger region, so I've actually got more access to more soils and more soil samples. So yeah, we'll touch base. Definitely, we will touch base, and there will be more videos coming out. The other channel, I'll post a link to that so you can drop in there and see what's cooking. I really don't like to do that stuff over here. And that other channel has got really small viewership. And I'm not asking you to come over to just run my numbers up. That's not my intentions at all. It's just, that's where I'm hanging out. Because when I get home from work, the last thing I want to do is talk gardening when I've been dealing with yards all day long. So yeah, the call is out for help, and I drastically need this before court. 1,700 books is the goal. That's the finish line. So I need this everywhere. I need buy second, third books. Tell friends. I need help. So we'll touch base with you guys later. I appreciate you stopping in for the 13, 14 minutes that I've held you up. Spread the word. Green Wizard's still here. I'm just really busy making people's yard a whole lot greener and a whole lot more organic, 1 yard at a time. We'll talk to you later, everybody.